Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ariel, and if you're new here, I create lifestyle, beauty, and mommy content. And if you aren't subscribed, please consider doing so. But with that said, let's get straight into this video. So as you can see by the title, this video is all about my eyebrow grooming and shaping. Now throughout my life, I have quite the experience with my eyebrows. So the first time that I ever had my eyebrows done, I want to say I was in 5th grade, but it just went so terribly wrong. Whatever tweezers were used with my eyebrows, I ended up losing every single hair from my eyebrows. So I was essentially just stuck with filling them in starting from middle school. Mind you, in middle school, there was no YouTube tutorial to show you how to do this, and they were literally just the thinnest little line penciled on. They're horrifying, but if you guys care to see, I will insert a picture here. And I am sorry if that scared you, but this is real life. I lived with those brows all the way until high school when they started to grow in a bit. And since my eyebrows grew back, they actually stand straight out, meaning they don't lay flat on my face at all. And for you guys to understand that, I tried to get as close as I can in this tutorial so you can really see how my hairs literally just stand out straight. And unfortunately, my 1-year-old daughter has these same exact eyebrows. So her eyebrows also stand out straight. And if you guys have that problem as well, please let me know, because I've literally never met anyone else that has this eyebrow problem. And that was until I discovered eyebrow lamination. And let me tell you, my entire world changed. I did consider getting this done professionally. However, I was just like still traumatized from the first time I had my eyebrows done. I lost every single hair, so I wasn't gonna go back down that road. So I found a YouTube tutorial teaching you how to use a lash lifting kit to do eyebrow lamination, and it works amazingly. I mean, I get perfect results. As you guys can see, my eyebrows here are completely flat to my face, and it only cost me, I want to say, like $20. I'll link the exact one I used below, but I am so thrilled with the results. And so since I've learned how to do this eyebrow lamination myself, I have gotten endless compliments on my eyebrows. So many people think that they're like microbladed or anything, but this is pretty much all my real hair. I mean, I do like tiny bits of filling in just to have a thicker shape, and I'll show you guys exactly how I do that in this tutorial. But I am just thrilled to wake up every day and my eyebrows are literally flat to my face. I know that sounds like such a weird thing to say, but to me it makes a difference. I love waking up and just seeing my eyebrows already done. So if you guys want to see how to do this, let's just get into it. And here is what we are dealing with. As you guys can see, my eyebrows appear to be very sparse. However, you'll see soon when I start to lay them flat, I have a very full eyebrow. It's just that my hairs stand out straight and you're not able to see most of the volume. To begin with, I'm just taking a clean spoolie and combing through my brows. Tweezerman slanted tweezers are my absolute favorite. I've had the same one for years and they still work amazing. But I'm just going to go in and start to pluck out all of those random little hairs that are left out. And I'm honestly not super picky about getting every single hair out. I do prefer a fuller brow, but it's total preference up to what you guys like for your eyebrow shape. As you guys can see, I am very into my brows and I have a very specific look that I like to get from them. So I pretty much know my shape. However, if you guys don't know the shape of your eyebrows that you're going for, you can try this little trick of getting a nude or white eyeliner and basically carving out the bottom of your eyebrows. And everything that is within the line of the eyeliner and below is the hair that you're going to remove. And after I'm done tweezing, I like to go back in with this Finishing Touch Flawless Eyebrow Hair Remover, and it just catches all of those little tiny hairs that the tweezers couldn't grab, or even just sections that I didn't even bother tweezing. If your eyebrow hairs are thinner than mine, you can totally use this tool to completely shape your eyebrows because it is just so easy to use. Now that I've gotten most of the hair away, I'm just going in with some cleansing water to remove any kind of dirt or makeup that was left in that area. And this is the lash lifting kit that I found on Amazon. I will link this exact one below because I highly recommend it. But you're basically just following the same exact directions that you would for your eyebrows to your eyelashes. Step 1 is to go in with the cleanser and remove any other dirt that's left. Next, you're going to take the glue and start to glue down your lashes. Out of experience, I'm going to tell you guys to do this in pieces because it dries pretty quickly, and I am very finicky with how my eyebrows are going to lay with this glue. I feel like that is what really makes the difference in your final product. So basically, I am just swiping it on here, and I really take my time to push them apart and really separate them and try to get them laying as flat as possible. And as I told you guys, my eyebrows are very unruly, so I even take my finger and try to press them down because even this lash glue can't do it. Moving over to my other eyebrow, again working in sections because of how quickly it dries. Just really pay attention to how your eyebrows are laying here. I spend the most time doing this step. So once you've got your eyebrows nicely laid out, you're going to take the perming solution, which I'm not gonna lie, it kind of smells like Nair, the hair removal cream, but I'm just using the back of a eyeshadow brush and just smearing it onto my eyebrows. I do use quite a bit, again, because my eyebrows are so terrible. I cannot complain about them enough, but you'll see here just how I put them on. And once you have the perming solution on, you need to take a piece of saran wrap and cover it for about 10 to 12 minutes. After this time is up, just go ahead and remove the saran wrap and start to scrape away the product. After you've gotten most of it off, you're going to take the fixation step and do the same exact thing you did for the perming solution. So you're going to smear this on the same way with the back of an eyeshadow brush if you want, and then put the saran wrap on for 10 to 12 minutes and remove it. And you're going to notice this time when you're scraping away the fixation that your eyebrows are literally laid to your face. I have a very dramatic result because of how much my eyebrows stand out straight. As you guys can tell, my eyebrows look completely different from now to the beginning of the video. Going back to the cleanser, you now want to put that onto a cotton ball and just make sure that you've gotten off all of the product. Now that your eyebrows are beautiful and clean, you need to grab this nutrition oil. I just kind of dab it onto my fingertips and rub it into my eyebrows. So the brow lamination is absolutely done at this point. As you guys can see, it is a dramatic difference from the beginning to now. I'm just going in with some trimming scissors and I'm going to trim away some of the length, and then I'll show you guys exactly how I fill them in. My holy grail eyebrow product is this Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. I use the shade Dark Brown, and I have been using this for years and years, and it still has so much product left. But I'm just using my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe eyebrow brush and making little tiny hair-like strokes in the places that my eyebrows are still a little bit sparse. I feel like it's really key here to make sure that you're not dragging your brush and creating straight lines, more just keeping it hair-like and making really fine strokes along the way. So just a reminder, this is how my eyebrows were in the beginning of this video, and here is the very dramatic after. I feel like it makes such a huge difference to my face, and it really didn't take that much effort, and the kit only cost me $20. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Of course, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And if you tried this tutorial, I would love to see your results. So just find me on Instagram and send me over a picture because I would really love to see how this worked for you. And I will try to link everything I use in the description box below. And I'll talk to you guys next week. Bye!